Good morning everyone, and being Tuesday, today's skincare product I want to talk about is the lip voluminizer from Senegens. This is one of the product that you can use twice a day. Let's go ahead and see why it's really important. Lip sense is in general highly moisturizing because you are going to seal it with a gloss. I always make sure I do any one of them to protect my lips. I make sure to use my lip exfoliator, the lip scrub, lip smooth for at least twice a week at night, because it's just going to take like 20 seconds max, but it will exfoliate any dry dead cells in the lips. And I will always make sure to use the, if I am using the lip sense, I will gloss it to seal, or I will use the gloss as it is. And at night time I use either the lip voluminizer or the lip balm, and then I will seal it with our collagen night pack. So it is like I do different things to protect my lips. As you know, that is one thing that makes it really healthy, because the more you drink water and keep it hydrated, you won't have any chapped dryness at all. The way I do is I try to apply the lip sense once I'm coming out of shower and applying the skincare in the morning skincare routine. I try to apply the lip voluminizer, because that way it gets soaked in before I go ahead and apply my makeup or doing my videos, all those stuff. It gets time to soak in and make my lips moisturized. So let me show you. This is my tip tube. So it's going to be like a clear gloss, so you won't feel any color or anything to it. So you can even add the days you are not using lip sense, you can still use like a blush. You can mix with it and just have a slight into it. And I always, as I said, I will again use it at night, because again it's going to pull moisture into your lips. The way one of our son sister Katie, she explains it is like how the balloon is. So it's going to be inside out. For example, if the balloon is not has the air and it's not full, then you will see the crinkles. But at the same time, when it is fully blown and have the volume, that you will see it's nice and plump. The same way it will make the lips nice and plump once it's applied and soaked in. So as I said, when I'm going to apply the lip sense, it will be at least 30 minutes from my skincare time to till I finish my makeup. So it has time to soak in. Even if I'm having breakfast or all those stuff, still it will be there until I'm getting ready. So it has natural peptides and botanicals, so there isn't much of artificial stuff. It's going to do it with the help of natural ingredients. And if you see the beauty book, it says lip voluminizer contains ingredients that help to increase the appearance of lip volume, fullness to 20%, and moisture up to 50% in just 1 month of use. So that's a lot. So increasing the moisture by 50% in 1 month will make your lips really hydrated, because it's like what to say, like how we say about climate control. So when you apply climate control and then you apply moisturizer, what it is going to do is it's going to absorb the moisture in and make it to the skin, to the cellular level. The same way, once you apply the lip balm, the lip voluminizer, and then apply the lip balm, what this is going to do is it's going to pull the moisture in. That way you are really hydrating not only on the outer level, you are hydrating from the cellular level. So that's why these products make a huge difference. If you see the ingredient list, it says there is an ingredient called Kiss Me Quick plant, which helps boost moisture and the appearance of firmness. So the plant's name itself is Kiss Me Quick plant. So that is one important ingredient here. And also it has shea butter and even sesame seed oil in there. Like how we talk about eyes is one of the places where it's going to age faster because you're constantly blinking, you're constantly moving your eyes. The same way lips is another place where you will be constantly using it. You either smile, you pout, there are external factors that can affect age, and as I said, your hydration level, the stress, everything uh, takes care into the your dryness. So having a healthy routine like this is going to help having a fuller and healthier lips, I would say. Let me just go ahead and apply the Fiesta glass on top of it. Just to show you how, because since I'm going to apply it on top of the lip voluminizer, the shea butter and vitamin E here is going to be like a double protection, and it's going to be pulled in, so that way it will be even more moisturized than normal. The other thing is, as we age, our lips will become thinner because obviously the loss of collagen makes to look it what is it, like droopy and not full. So that is another reason you use these kind of products. That way they can get the volume and the elasticity back. These are not what is it, like I would say have any harsh chemicals to do that. Most of the proprietary formula is based on natural ingredients, the natural peptides and minerals. So that way you are not putting any harmful ingredients to do. Instead, it is going to be in a very soft way. As I said, you can even use the collagen night pack at night, and that way you will seal in all the moisture when you are sleeping. When you get up in the morning, if you are someone who had issues with dry chapped lips, when you use Lipsense itself, you will slowly start the improvement. But adding these kind of things will improve it. For example, if you are not going to apply Lipsense every single day, adding these are like adding a lip balm, and like these are like small steps, but help it in a greater way. And like any other product in our line, it also has the Senaplex complex, so that in turn going to help with the cellular renewal again. So by eliminating by exfoliating constantly with lip smooth and adding these, you are going to reduce the dead cells, and also going to have new plumpier cells. And if you have seen, if you are thinking like you are having too much lines, that means it's dehydrated. So when it is full, you will see it's nice and plump, and you don't see that many lines. Yes, jojoba seed oil again, that is another moisturizer in the product, and also it has ingredients that can protect from free radicals and UV rays. So there are like multiple stages into that proprietary formula. So it's not just doing one thing, instead it's helping it in different ways to make it like a healthy routine for you. Not only that, as I said, I was talking about climate control. This again has hyaluronic acid, which is like a really hydrating ingredient in our climate control, which I used to say it's like drinking a Gatorade to your skin. So similar to that, this is going to be for your lips. If you see the beauty book for its application, you can see it's included in both AM routine and also in the PM routine. So you can use both times. If you're going to, as I said, if you're going to use Lipsense anyway in the morning or any gloss, you can still use this as part of your skincare. You can even use it once you brush your teeth. You can just apply it as a moisturizer. If you are someone who is going to have very dry lips, then you can just apply it once you brush your teeth. The same way, use it as the last step before you going to bed after your nighttime routine. So that way you get protection in both times, and this one bottle will last you minimum 8 to 10 months, because you are just going to use like a one coat of it. It's not a lot, you are not going to waste it. So this will last you longer, and as I said, you don't have to use it every single day, but it's a good practice to have it. Even once a day should be fine if you are not having very chapped lips or so. But it's a very good product to add it to your skincare routine. That's what I say. So if you're not even a makeup person, but still you can have a healthy lips. And that's all for today's video, and I think I am going to send out the FB invite for the makeup group today. So if you are interested, you still have time, I can add you in there, and once you get approved, you will start seeing the post and the lives, and you will have time to watch them anytime. And there are going to be obviously giveaways for participating. So if you are interested, let me know. It's going to be on 24th and 25th of this month. So have a wonderful day. See you all soon.